Editing photos with ChatGPT is very easy. You don't need any editing skills or software. Just follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT on your computer or mobile. Make sure you are using a version that supports image upload. Step 2. Upload your photo. Click on the image icon, a camera, or plus. Select the photo you want to edit from your device. Wait until the image is fully uploaded. Step 3. Tell ChatGPT what you want to change. After uploading the photo, write clearly what you want to change. Examples: remove the background. Make this photo more bright. Change background to white. Make this image cartoon style. Improve image quality. Add text. Success starts today on top. Tip: use simple instructions work best. Step 4. Ask for specific changes if you want. You can give more details to get better results. Example: remove the background and add a blue gradient background. Make the face clearer and brighter. Step 5. Let ChatGPT edit the image. ChatGPT will process your request. After a few moments, you will receive the edited image. Step 6. Review and request changes. If you don't like something, you can ask again. Examples: make the colors softer. Zoom the face slightly. Change background to office environment. Add cinematic lighting. You can repeat this until you are satisfied. Step 7. Download the edited photo. Click the download button. Save the image to your device. Your photo is now ready to use. What type of photo edits can you do? You can easily remove or change background, improve photo quality, make images cartoon or artistic, add text or quotes, create thumbnails, fix lighting and colors, turn normal photos into professional images. Beginner tips: very important. Use simple words, one edit at a time for better results. Be clear about background, colors, and style. Don't worry if first result isn't perfect. Just ask again. Final words: ChatGPT makes photo editing easy for everyone, even beginners. No Photoshop, no complex tools. Just upload, type, and edit.